Learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every second day with word games. Today's game is adjectives for all levels. It will start easy and then get more difficult. Let's begin. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Jennifer is not in class today. She's not here. She is absent. She is absent. Bob is a good writer. He is very slowly creative. Quickly creative. He's very creative. It means he has a good imagination. He's good at coming up with new ideas. We have a business idea, and we're looking for investors. Are you? This means, do you want to join our business and be an investor? Interested. Are you interested? We also use it this way. Be interested in something. Be interested in doing something. Everybody likes Bob. He's very... And the second missing letter is a U. Popular. He's very popular. Everybody likes him. These word games are very... This means they help you very much. They help you learn English quickly. And the second missing letter is an I. Beneficial. These word games are very beneficial. This is related to the word benefit. We didn't buy those cookies. They are... This means they were created where somebody lives. Homemade. They are homemade. Bob is poor, but he is to go to college. This means he will not stop trying. He will just keep trying harder and harder to do it because he is determined. He is determined to go to college. Nothing can stop him. He will keep trying to do it. This race will be the test for you. This means the toughest, the most severe. ultimate. This race will be the ultimate test for you. This word is a little bit difficult. Please check your dictionaries. It has a few more ways to use it. It is not a religious school. It is. This word just means not religious. And the first missing letter comes before T in the alphabet. Secular. It is secular. It's not religious. That country is not fighting. It is not at war. It is a. This means the country is not fighting, and it is also not on one side of the countries that are fighting. It is a. Neutral. It is a neutral country. That was lots of fun. My name is Vinny. See you next time.